We are going to be solving this question using long division. X cubed plus x squared plus x minus 2 divided by x plus 3. Now, how are you going to solve this question using long division? Now watch. What you're going to do is number one, solution. Now, using long division, you are going to draw your line as usual, put in this divisor inside plus x squared plus x minus 2. Then this divider you bring it outside x plus 3. Now this is putting in the equation in a long division format. First of all, you are going to the next thing you are going to do now is take this first one, which has the degree of 3, divide it by this. Now that means x cubed divided by 3 is going to give you x raised to power 2, that is x squared. Now look at what we did there. What we did there is we have x raised to power 3 divided by x. One x we cancel one x, so we are having x squared. That's what we did here. Now once you divide this by this, the next thing you're going to do is take this this x squared, multiply it by this number outside here, by everything outside here. Now let's do that. This multiplied by this, you're going to have x cubed. Now this one, x squared multiplied by 3, you're going to have positive 3x squared. Now don't forget, you enclose this in bracket with a negation sign, with a negative sign. Now when you have this, bring down your line. If you add this to this plus this, x cubed plus x cubed. Now remember, this negative sign has affected this, which means here is now negative. So x cubed minus x cubed should be 0. Now this negative sign has also affected this, which means x squared minus 3x squared. We are going to have 2x squared. That is going to be minus 2x squared. Now we are having x here. We'll bring it down. That is positive x. Then we bring this down, negative 2. Now we are done with the first first one. Now we are going to repeat this step again. These steps that we took, now we're going to repeat it again. That is dividing this by this, and using the value to multiply the whole of this. Then sum up the values down. Now what you're going to do now is, here now is no longer existing, so we're having negative 2. Now negative 2x squared divided by x we are going to have negative x squared. Sorry, it's not negative x squared. We're going to have negative 2 x squared, 2x squared divided by this is going to be 2x. That is 2x squared divided by x. 1x is cancelling 1x. 2x squared, 2x multiplied by x is going to give you negative 2x squared. Now this multiplied by this again, you're going to have negative 6x. Don't forget to enclose it in a bracket and add your negative sign. Now we are going to sum up again. This plus this is going to give you 0. X plus this is going to give you 7x, positive 7x. Now we are bringing down our 2 minus 2. Now we are having this. Now we are still going to repeat this our step again. Say 7x divided by x, we are going to have positive 7. Now positive 7 multiplied by x is going to give you 7x. 7 multiplied by 3 is going to give you positive 21, and don't forget to enclose it in a bracket with a negative sign. Now let's bring down again. This minus this is going to give you 0. Minus 2 minus 21 is going to give you minus 23, and this is your remainder. So that simply means that when x cubed plus x squared plus x minus 2 is divided by x plus 3, we are going to have a remainder of minus 23. So if you find this helpful, please, I think is okay, please just hit the subscription button and subscribe to this channel. This channel will be based on academia in different areas.